Hello guys! Alam niyo ba na may offer ang Pag-ibig na Safe Loan? Ito ay parang emergency loan or calamity loan dahil sa ating naranasan ngayon na economic crisis. To understand further, search natin siya sa Google. So, andito na tayo sa Google guys. So, type lang natin Pag-ibig Safe Loan. So, ayan guys, the Pag-ibig Safe Loan or Special Assistance for Financial Emergencies Loan is an emergency cash assistance program to help members cope with the rising cost of basic necessities and fuel. You can borrow up to 10,000 at a low 5.95% annual interest rate. So take note, yung interest rate nila na 5.95% is annually, with your first payment deferred by a 3-month grace period. Key features: maximum loan amount is up to 10,000 or up to 90% of your total Pag-ibig regular savings, whichever is lower. Basta hindi siya lalagpas guys ng 10,000. Interest rate 5.95% per annum. Grace period 3 months before your first monthly amortization begins. So 3 months pa kapag natanggap mo na yung loan amount mo, 3 months pa before tayo kakaltasan sa ating sahod. Payment terms up to 3 years. So, depende kung gusto mong tapusin siya 1 year or 2 years, basta up to 3 years ang payment terms. Availability, the application period runs until September 8, 2026 only. So, up until September 8 lang guys yung application nitong safe loan application. Who is eligible? You must have made at least 24 monthly Pag-ibig contributions. So at least meron kang 2 years contribution sa Pag-ibig. You must have an active Pag-ibig membership. So active dapat yung membership mo sa Pag-ibig. You can still apply even if you have an existing multi-purpose loan or calamity loan, provided your combined outstanding short-term loans do not exceed 90% of your total savings. So kahit mayroon ka ng existing loan, pwede ka pa rin makapag-apply. Pero yung kasamahan ko, yung iba, although nag-apply sila nitong safe loan, ikinaltas sa kanila yung existing balance nila sa kanilang loan. So, yung natira, yun na lang ang kanilang nakuha. You must not have any outstanding arrears or defaults on existing loans. So, ito guys, how to apply? To apply, you can self-declare your income directly on the form. No employer certification or income documents required. See, no employer certification. So, kahit ikaw lang, punta ka ng branch ng Pag-ibig, mag-comply ka doon ng form, no form application, tapos fill upan mo lang, pasa sa kanila. So, ito yung mga requirements. Prepare a duly accomplished safe loan application form. So, meron silang application form, one valid ID, and disbursement account like your Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus. So, kailangan nila yung ATM account mo na yung naka-register sa Pag-ibig or yung Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus. So, meron naman siguro tayo lahat nito. Online, if you are going to apply online, submit your application digitally by logging into Virtual Pag-ibig and proceeding to the loan application section. Kung may Virtual Pag-ibig kayo, so pwede tayo mag-apply online. Open lang natin ang ating account. In person, visit any Pag-ibig Fund branch to submit your documents. So, pwede rin tayo magpunta sa Pag-ibig branch. So, doon na lang lahat gawin, no? Maghingi tayo ng application form, fill upan. Kailangan mayroon kayong dalang valid ID. And then, yung dala-dala nyo dapat yung iyong Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus. Approved loans are usually disbursed directly to your Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus within the day or within the day lang ha, or up to 3 working days. So, ang bilis lang guys. So, sa mga need ng financial assistance dyan. So, mag-apply na tayo ng Pag-ibig Safe Loan. So, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!